This is the mushrooms mixed with the onions and the lemon. The garlic. The garlic, you have to be careful because, well, you add it at the end. So at the end before you add the broth, so it doesn't burn. But you're constantly flipping the mushrooms around. Water is gonna come out of them. And when water starts coming out of them, you add the broth. And the broth I'm using is good old Knorr. I'm gonna be putting at least 1 cube and about 8 liters, oh my god. About 2 liters of water. Okay? So that's the next step. And one thing before that, you add the flour. So it's thickening everything. But you have to keep it moving around so the mushrooms don't get burned and the water comes out. Okay, see you soon.